don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Al Hilal 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Umaburia.
Hey, Shabu and Stivo.
I'm Nandi Ratmani.
I'm current out Chama. Sure.
Kalanga.
My result, you know, I was Anga's favorite fanda.
Sure.
Yeah, my result, I was Anga's favorite fanda. So, I'm Nanda current shop.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm expecting a very win fanda. Yeah, the way being Nama high hopes in a co.
Sure.
And from the first 10 to 15 minutes.
Sure, man.
Besi settle Al Hilal yabona.
Sure, man.
Isidlala nayo sibambile. Zathi boma 15 to towards vele half time.
Sure, man.
Engabona seyiqala ukuspressa le team.
Yeah.
Kunalo number 9 no number 7 no number 10. Yeah, bebashange pace labantu. Yeah, bebashange pace and mawuthi uyabheka first man on the ball still bebashaye yibona.
Sure.
It seems like ngathi besiphethwe ama jet lag. I don't understand.
Ngakhathele.
Yeah, bebakhathele because nangu nomrembula I master is CDM best la eMzansi.
Sure.
Yeah, see uTheo Homkwen. He didn't come to the party today.
Off.
Yeah, ube off today azange mbone.
Sure.
And bengitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe akekho nasegamini. Off late sengiyabona lapha uyavela unumber for time man. Umrembula. Akufani naye lokho. Umrembula is a master of emidlini esigubhini uye lapha no controller la eMzansi. Nakubafana sithembe yena. Manje hey namhlanje ungidisappointile ngifuna ukuqamba manga. Bese mangithi ngilanda no Allende. Yeah, no Allende naye man ungikhostile man.
Jersey number 11.
Yeah, uAllende ngiyamazi ugood but fanda hayi. Bekaba na late uma tackles sometimes labantu mabas attacka ufuna uku-attack ispace uyayibona and labantu bakude ku-shooting ubonile ukuthi bebashaya kanjani from distance out of 18 goal number 2 ball watching bayi-3 laphayana baface i-opponent abayi-challenge uyayibona so nalento leyo isikhawathile ngifuna isikhawathile blind uyayibona so another thing no Matthews yabona Tashrik hayi ibhola vele udlala lonke uTash uyayibona problem yakhe finish up man I finish up yamkhawatha untwana yeah I finish up yamkhawatha man ngoba la kufanele expect khona igoli akakuri la kufanele expect khona igoli akakuri uyabona but anyway player lethu Southini we can't crucify him vele just ukuthi manje ucoach kumele naye angaze yaphela Petrokop lapha ukuthi i-shooting wenzakalani kumele bamfundise ne-composure man yeah shot on target yayibona shaya amabhola ku target mongashaya 3 i2 at least izongena or i1 izongena uyayibona at least sihlaba siyadla siba great manje always yena amabhola akhe man on target uyamista man angazi wayena ka improve lapho yena ibhola uyalazi umfana uphelele uyalazi but i-finishing yakhe man iphuwa
sakhala ngayo nama
yeah iphuwa yabona nabo shalulile nabo lapha batholile ama chances this was a game of consequences. Champions League le out yami akusi yabo ma Nedbank or in lezi zabo zala eMzansi zabo ma MTN le zokuthi no Reru sakugayile ne penalty uhambe yoku final uyayibona this is a game of consequences out here lapha any chance you have to bury it Champions League le uyayibona le team is strong kanjani is strong le team very organized so lama chances watholayo phela siya create iSundowns ngichazelani iyangena kuma box entries siyangena kuma box entries guys asiconvecteni phela asiconvect shalulile uthatha ibhola ulibeka phezulu amabhola ukuthi equalize ngawo la kwa uyayibona so uyabona ukuthi my standard man iChampions League le there is no room for mistakes lapha yana if uthola ichance bury it uyayibona but anyway asazi ngoba vele sitase ku number 4 sina how many points manje sina 5 points if I'm not mistaken
sure man
yabo so we still have a chance because we number 2 uyayibona sayodlala noRulani sidlale nalo umjitha lohlukumeze Orlando lo bathi umgogo
Oh, umgogo.
yeah so dlala nayo le team le yaLupopo yayibona uma singa collector maybe 6 point lapha yana uyayibona or 4 point yasemnandi because it's number 1 no number 2 abaya kulo ya ku quarter final yayibona injalo ntwana
ngicela man of the match
man of the match ngayigaya lo number 10 ubeka sky thread lapha yana
Yeah,
uthe ukuphuma engaba happy nami vele ngaba relieved because lo number 10 ipace yakhe awune pace une pace plus uphethe neskill abantu into abashaya ngayo ifiziki man bafiti labantu bafiti thina ngazi mhlawumbe mibishawe yiyo lama jet lag la ngikhuluma ngawo la because besidlala Tuesday uyabona bomrembula nabo babuya kuma AFCON uyabona ukuthi mani bekangekho angifuni ukuqamba manga lapha esikubhini abeyangekho umrembula uyabona ma let's take maybe we'll redeem ourselves sibuye si right ku next game masidlala no Rulani uyabona because uzala ekhaya Rulani Lofstars they have to collect 3 points lapha na kanjani it's a must win uyabona because siyayifuna lelo Champions League le uyayibona sinjalo ntwana
asibonge
uyi
Mabuda